6:53 is the time. It's Thursday morning. Cheryl Cole has heaped praise on the man who's given her plenty to smile about.
One person I definitely have to thank is my dentist, so thank you very much.
A dentist? Why on earth did she thank her dentist? Well, her gorgeous smile, of course. So what difference does a good bit of dentistry make? Marcella Whittingdale reports now on the secrets of many a celebrity smile.
When Cheryl Cole first hit the big time, her smile wasn't quite the sparkler it is today. And she isn't the only celebrity to recognise the value of $1 million smile. Katie Price decided it wasn't just her famous assets that needed a boost. While X Factor judge Simon Cowell was so impressed with the person who perfected his pearly whites, he dedicated an award to him. And Hollywood heartthrob Tom Cruise, now known for his movie star smile, has plenty to thank his orthodontist for.
So let's go to Elaine Wilcox now. She's in Bolton. She's in the dentist chair. Not always a pleasant place to be for many, but hopefully this will be right. You look bright this morning.
Yes, I've been very brave this morning. Not so long ago, a lot of us were terrified of the dentist chair and the dreaded Jill, but now, Trill, we're all jumping in because we all want that Cheryl Cole's winning smile. With me is Dr. Monik Vasant. Just tell us, what do you think she's had done?
Well, only Cheryl's dentist and herself know for sure, but to me it looks like she's had some sort of clear invisible brace or some sort of removable appliance before to align the teeth, probably some tooth whitening as well, and then some sort of veneers on a couple of teeth.
Well, just show us how you think this brace works, how it's worked for some of your patients.
Yeah, well, this gentleman came in with spaced teeth, so what we've done over a period of 40 weeks is close the space. He didn't want to wear a conventional fixed brace, so we've closed it with clear braces.
Now, Cheryl had a bit of a peg tooth, didn't she? So just show us how you think the veneers worked there.
Yeah, she had two malformed lateral incisor teeth, from what I can see in the pictures, and it looks as though they've had porcelain laminate veneers placed over the top. So the tooth's just slightly prepared and then porcelain veneers glued on top of it.
So how painful and how much does it all cost?
Well, these things sort of vary from clinic to clinic, but you wouldn't imagine to experience much pain given local anaesthetics used routinely. And cost-wise, she's probably paid in excess of £5,000.
All right, well, Cheryl Cole, it seems to be the smile that everyone wants, Andrew. I think you want to jump in with a couple of questions here.
Yeah, just wondering, look, what is the best way to whiten teeth? I suppose we can't all afford veneers and stuff, but you know, what is the best way to do it, Monik?
Well, I would definitely advise the first thing to do is pay a visit to your dentist, because everyone's teeth are different and some people are suitable for certain procedures and some people aren't. But professional tooth whitening can work and is fairly safe.
OK.
And what about those who don't have, I don't know, £8,000–9,000 to spend on our teeth, which is what I think Cheryl Cole's done? Is there supermarket treatments, you know, changing our toothpaste, those simple things help at all? What do you think?
Yeah, well, certain things can help a lot. Just general good oral hygiene advice. So things like avoiding tea, coffee, cigarettes, red wine, curry, spaghetti bolognese, basically anything that's remotely enjoyable is always a good tip. And going to the dentist regularly, brushing regularly, obviously helps. Brushing for a minimum of 3 minutes.
You're no fun, Monik, at all. You know, these gels can make you very sensitive. When you get the trays made up and you put the gel in, and the gel has to be in contact with the actual enamel, doesn't it? What the sensitivity that comes from that, is that avoidable?
Generally, these things can be avoided to an extent. Using things like sensitive toothpaste and relief gels in the trays can always help. But again, best thing to do is follow the advice given to you by your professional when you go to see him, and obviously steer clear of places like beauty parlours where these sorts of treatments are starting to be carried out.
Well said by a professional there. Thank you very much for joining us, Monique. And a brave lady, actually, Elaine, they're getting a dentist check, because I hate it.
No, it doesn't feel good. Have you ever been tempted by a bit of cosmetic dental surgery? Do you think it would make a difference? Is that an area that you sort of think, yeah, when you see the TV, do you look at Cheryl Cole, Simon Cole, say, I want teeth like that? Should we leave our pearly whites alone and just take what we're given by the good Lord above?
Yeah, well, why not? Because as a country, though, we're known for having dreadful teeth. Americans always say, God, British people got dreadful teeth, haven't they?
You've got unbelievable teeth.
I know, but I actually snapped my tooth when I was a child and I was 8, so I have had to have a cap and a veneer. Otherwise, I wouldn't have a tooth, which is not a very good look in the morning, is it? Stop looking at my teeth. Anyway, email us at gm.tv. All the terms and conditions found on our website.